So I am here at the Balinese house and we're gonna do some cooking. We are having a cooking class with her and with her and then your know Laura. Yep, that's what we're doing. See the kitchen back there? So we're over here.
Fast but not right.
And we're taking it portion.
That's okay because it's the first time also for you, yeah?
Yes.
That's fine.
Bella, yeah, ready?
Yes.
So this is apron and napkin. You use for the cooking, and then later wash your hand. Please dry with napkin. Let us dry, yeah.
Okay, so this is what?
Yeah.
Yeah, so after you put on your robe, you have to come and wash your hands so everybody can see to make sure you're clean. Oh, and then you use this to wipe. These are all the ingredients that we will be using today.
Sprout. Sprout. Bean sprout.
German.
Yeah.
This is it.
Okay. You can take a picture first.
So over here, we have all of the ingredients that we will be using to cook with. So stay tuned.
It's good. Yeah.
Dessert.
Okay. And then pandan leaf after type, just put in. Balance the taste. And then here you can see we already have black rice and sticky rice. For the black rice already clean, soaked and washed and soaked.
I need to remove the water also.
Steamer. Yeah, the steamer come from the bamboo material. Inside the pot also already have water. We soak 1 hour with the cold water, but now I need to remove the water first. Okay, and then now just put it. Okay, you can see. Now I need steam your rice first. Okay. I need you slice it.
I got
After you
to
slice
slice.
it,
I talked to you.
I need you chop like this.
See, this is what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm cutting these.
Yeah.
You have never seen such small pieces in your life.
You can put now. Enough.
Okay.
Yeah. And then come here, check your rice first.
Okay, I gotta check my rice.
Yes.
Yeah. More dark than before. Now I will take it, put in bowls. Yeah. And then the hot water I will take from the pot. I need to soak another 15 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, plus minutes, 15 minutes. Until the rice absorb.
Yes.
Like you can see, not too much water because when we put a lot of water, texture of your rice will be very.
I had that the other night.
See, this is tempeh first. Okay, come here.
So with the black rice, you wait for the water to be absorbed completely.
Like a bit thick. Yeah, like a pudding. Bigger. portion because I don't want a raw inside. Okay, after take a little bowl, continue put on the stick. For the stick we have a two side here and here. Okay, flat stick and also with decoration. When you put tuna, you put on the flat stick like this, and then I need you pinch, make longer. When you pinch the tuna, make longer like this, come down. We call it lilit in Bali. Already one spoon, yeah. One line. And then half. There. Yeah. Chef, you mix until same color.
Okay.
A bit more. Yeah, mix same color.
We made those. That we
Good color. Little bit brown.
This is the completed meal. We have the rice.
Not yet, not yet. Waiting for your son.
And this is our chocolate bean pudding. Dessert. Hello, this is Veronica from Veronica YOLO Travel, and I am here in Bali at the Cobek Bali Cooking Class, and this is all the food that we all made here with our own hands. Check out the food.